Hi there, these comments are for SD, and I am Michael, and I'm getting ready to look at your integrated writing practice test that you sent me, I think, yesterday. You also sent me speaking practice. Okay, so let's take a look at this particular, on this practice test. Yeah, I'm going to give you a 3.75 out of 5, 24 points. I'm going to put you about 24 points out of 30. Okay, I think according to the rubrics here, almost 4. I think you had some minor errors with grammar, sentence structure, and so on, but overall you seem to have pretty good structure of ideas. I'll just point out one minor thing that I noticed. It says, therefore, these molecules will stick to HEPA filters and they will not be able to escape. Furthermore, these small molecules will multiply and will be released. I'm going to put be released back into the air. So you had a few problems like that. I'm going to use passive voice here because the molecules get stuck in the filter. Then the filter kind of has control over the molecules, and eventually the filter releases those particles back into the air. So I said, and the molecules will be released back into the air. So if you look through the different paragraphs, you have a good organization. You're showing what the connection is. You just have some minor language use issues with some of the grammar and the sentence structure. All right? But overall, I think it's a good response. Hi, SD. You also did some speaking, independent speaking practice. I'm getting ready to listen to that right now. So your question, some people believe it's important for universities to provide funding for, I'm going to put student entertainment, such as movies or concerts on campus. Others believe that universities' money should only be used for academic purposes. Which do you agree with and why? All right, so that's pretty basic question. So how do you allocate the money? What's the best way to use the money for universities? That's kind of the question. And I think I have, okay, here we go. So here's the actual independent speaking rubrics here. And this is your speaking practice test.
I agree with the following statement that it is important for universities to provide funding for student entertainment such as movies or concerts on campus. This is because it will give students opportunity to make new friends. For example, I remember when I was in the pharmacy college, I had the chance to make a lot of friends when I used to watch movies on the campus. And since we're friends, we started to watch new movies with each other and have more fun. Furthermore, it's pretty hard for most of the students if they will only focus on the academic part while they
I want to say academic parts, not academic, but academic parts
are on the campus. Most of the students have free time and they like to enjoy it with others, such as watching a movie or attending a concert on the campus. Therefore, I support the idea that it is important to provide funding for students' entertainment in the university.
Good. So I think that you answered the question, so I think we have a pretty good response here. I'm going to put you between 3.0 and 3.5. I'm going to say 24 to 26 points out of 30. I think for the most part you had a strong delivery, very fluid expression, maybe just some minor pronunciation difficulties. You had good control over your language use, including both grammar and vocabulary, and you had a pretty good organization of ideas with your topic development. So I liked your use of specific examples to illustrate your ideas. So I think it's a strong response. I think it's possible you could get to 26 on this one. All right, thank you.